Welcome back everybody to South Florida and beautiful Haulover Inlet. Today, not gonna lie, it's gonna be an interesting one. We got a 15 to 20 mile an hour wind, an outgoing tide, and being honest, one of the gnarliest days I've seen down here at Haulover in quite some time. But what's making today a little bit special, we've actually got boat traffic. When we see conditions pump like this, usually we don't see anybody barely make it out of the inlet or even attempt to make it out of the inlet, but that's not the case today. We've got plenty of captains who are stepping in the ring trying to do battle with the champ. Welcome back guys to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. And here we can see our first contestant that stepped in the ring to try and do battle with Haulover has pulled that patented Haulover U-turn. I have a feeling this won't be the only time we see this move pulled today, but unfortunately for this crew, since they turned it around, this first round will absolutely go to Haulover Inlet. Let's see if our second round contestant can have a little better luck as they try and do battle with Haulover, but I got a feeling things are not going to look good for the boats today. Here we have a CV with quad mercs making its way out of Haulover. We get a little recognition sent over to the cameras, but let's see how our cat fares. And oh man, they are getting smacked around right up front. Haulover is absolutely firing on this crew. And the amazing thing about this is these CVs usually absolutely destroy Haulover. But sometimes the conditions are just too rough. I mean, this crew is getting one hell of a ride. They're coming straight down the middle, so they're not taking any shortcuts on this one either, though. And they really probably need to try and take these waves at a little more of an angle. Oh my gosh, they stuff it hard. Haulover is just being ruthless with this crew. And I'm not really going to give the captain a whole lot of fault on this one. I mean, Haulover is firing hard. This makes me question why they're going out there. There's no way in the world I would be heading out. I mean, I can't imagine, unless you're one of these jet skis who's going out there to jump waves and try and have a good time, why we would be out there in a boat. I don't want to go fishing out there in this. We're definitely going anywhere. I'd be taking the waterway today. But man, this crew just continues to take a relentless pounding. I mean, we've seen lots of rough rides. I mean, Haulover is notorious for being rough. This may be one of the roughest ride outs I've ever seen. Let me know in the comments below if you think this one takes the cake or if there's another one that stands out to you. Now, it's not the biggest stuffing. It's not the roughest smack. But the overall tenure of this ride is just absolute insanity to me. And this crew right here, unfortunately, Haulover is going to take a win in this round, and this crew is getting the snot absolutely pounded out of them. Now, the really bad news for the boats in this event is Haulover's already up 2-0 as we head into the third round, which means if the boats don't make a comeback here, Haulover's going to take the early win. And that one won't surprise me today, but we got a Blackfin that's going to step in the ring and try and do battle with Haulover. And they take a couple good smacks right up front. This crew's taking it a little bit easy, but I mean, you've got to. I don't know what you want them to do here in Haulover today besides try and take it easy, and they're going to turn it around quick. These guys are not even playing. They're like, yeah, this is going to suck. Let us go ahead and turn this around, and we're going to call it a day. And honestly, I don't blame them one bit. But unfortunately for this crew, that's going to be a loss for the boats, which means Haulover is going to take the clean sweep in this episode as they'll go up 3-0 and take the win. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.